Welcome to Lesson 1. In this first lesson of OLE 1, we're going to look at our first strategy, which is the communication of public learning goals for our students. I expect this is something a lot of you have at least thought about or are doing or have always done in your classes in the brick and mortar setting. And it's worth talking about the importance of doing this in the blended learning and online learning settings. So the first step in any unit, in any program for students, any experience you're designing, is setting out a clear set of goals and expectations for the unit. First, it's important to you from the design perspective to know where it is you're heading, and so how do you go about designing experiences that will lead your students there. And it's important for you in the design process to know how on earth are you going to assess to see if your students have indeed achieved these outcomes. But it's important for the students too, so that they'll get a clear idea of what's expected of them and where they're headed. What are you going to be doing in this lesson? When are things going to be due? At the end of these set of screens, at the end of this lesson 1 in OLE 1, you'll go back to that Google Doc that we saw initially, and you'll add your strategies for articulating and sticking to public learning goals to your focal experience. So I hope you enjoyed these screens, this work. I hope you collaborate effectively together and that we have a series of rich discussions going forward here. Don't hesitate to reach out to me or to your classmates should any questions or concerns come up, and let's enjoy the work together.